Hey, do you want free Robux? Yeah, me too. But hey, Microsoft gives a way to do it. And I'm not kidding either. And there's other stuff there too. So maybe you should start doing it. I don't know. Maybe you're planning on being a Roblox YouTuber and need Robux for stuff to like speed it up. Or maybe you just want free Robux, which is completely understandable. I know, I want free stuff too. Yeah, let's get started. So obviously you need a Microsoft account, and then you need to go to the link I send and sign in with that Microsoft account. You can just use your Gmail if you want. There's nothing stopping you. And then you'll be at the home page. But you should probably be using Microsoft Edge. Don't sign in if you're gonna do multiple accounts, but go ahead and sign into Microsoft Edge if it's just the only one you're doing. You use Microsoft Edge because it gets you an extra 20 points and all points count. Plus it's probably going to tell you, hey, get Edge. You're at the home screen. What do? Do your daily tasks. That's at minimum 30 points. You'll probably be level 2 soon enough. The searching, how do you do it? You don't have to actually search things up. Literally just like spam your keyboard, assuming you're on mobile. Wait until there's 2 full lines in the search bar and then just search. Stay on the news tab because it won't show anything, which means it loads less and that'll make it go faster. The daily tasks, there's no simple way of doing it. For the first one, you just tap and exit it. And for the next 2, you have to, do something. This can range from 10 to 50 points. 50 points being harder to do, but probably more worth it anyways. The last one is just the daily poll. You could go your real answer or the fake one. Does not matter. And then there's all the stuff below that. Most of the time, it's just a tap and then you go back. If it's a quiz, then you're gonna have to do it, but honestly, you can just spam through those. You don't have to actually get them right. That's only one specific quiz that you do. How do you do a PC search on mobile? You just change it to desktop view and it counts as a PC search if you don't actually have a PC, which to be fair, you should probably just do it all on your phone because that's where it's most able to be done. Obviously, it's gonna take some time to get points. How much time exactly though? At a minimum, I'm gonna say you get 300 a day. So 300 a day in 1 week, you get 2,100. And in 4 weeks, that's 8,400. So in a month, you should have 8,400 at least. In a whole year, 109,200 points, which can be used on a lot. What you should be focusing on is the shopping filter, and that's basically all. You're not gonna end up winning any of those things, and you're here to be greedy for yourself, not to donate. And just go from there for whatever fits you. Obviously, don't go Skype because it's not good. The main thing there being Robux, but also there's Amazon, Target, and Xbox stuff that can be used on games or whatever. For Xbox, the currency only lasts 90 days for some reason, so be sure you know what you want and be sure you have enough to get what you want in the time before it expires. You will just completely lose all that money if you don't spend. Why is Microsoft letting us do this? Well, I don't think it really matters to them. And they know people actually won't commit to like a whole year. Even if they do, they only lose $109. So yeah, it's probably why they don't care. And why haven't they bothered changing it? They actually have. You used to be able to transfer your points in a family, therefore just only needing one account to get all the stuff. But they changed it so that's no longer possible. You could get a reward like $100 gift card much faster if you did it that way. And I guess they didn't want people doing that. That's about all I had to explain with this. So try committing. It's not like they're losing much. Because they know they're not, they don't care. You could get free Robux legitimately. It's finally a true thing. To be fair, it's been a true thing for like a few years now. But hey, now you know how to effectively do this. If you do one account, that should only really take 5 minutes a day. If you're doing multiple accounts like me, let's say you do 3, that's gonna take upwards of 20 minutes a day. But it's definitely more rewards. For something like Robux, they actually give you a code to use on just one account. For the Microsoft stuff, they force it onto that Microsoft account. Yeah, that warning needs to be said. I almost didn't get that controller because of that. You know, recognize these sounds? Yeah, I only paid like 20 bucks for that because of Microsoft points. To be fair, I was supposed to get it in January, but instead I got it in March. Alright, I think that covers everything. So, have a good day. Or else.